When it comes to enhancing your home's exterior, few upgrades have the immediate visual impact of window replacement. Whether you're considering selling your home or simply want to freshen up its appearance, replacing old or outdated windows in Mandeville, Louisiana, is an excellent way to improve your home's curb appeal. New windows can transform the look of your home, increase its value, and even improve energy efficiency. Here's how window replacement can give your Mandeville home a fresh and inviting new look. Modern style and aesthetic appeal. One of the most significant ways new windows improve curb appeal is by updating the look of your home. Over time, windows can become worn, cracked, or outdated, which can detract from your home's overall aesthetic. Replacing your old windows with newer, more stylish options can completely refresh the exterior of your home, giving it a more modern, clean, and polished look. Window replacement offers the opportunity to choose from a variety of styles and materials, such as double-hung, casement, or picture windows, allowing you to select a design that complements your home's architecture. Whether you opt for sleek vinyl windows, classic wood windows, or contemporary fiberglass frames, new windows will give your home a fresh and updated appearance that will catch the eye of visitors, passers-by, and potential buyers. Increased natural light and visibility. New windows can also increase the amount of natural light that enters your home, making it feel brighter and more open. In Mandeville, where beautiful weather is often enjoyed, maximizing natural light can enhance both the interior and exterior appeal of your home. Replacing old, small windows with larger or more strategically placed windows allows sunlight to flood your living spaces, making your home feel more spacious and inviting. More natural light can also improve your home's curb appeal by showcasing your home's landscaping, front yard, and architecture. When you invest in window replacement, you also invest in enhancing the view from both inside and outside, which is a great way to make your property more attractive. Energy efficiency for a better environment. In addition to the aesthetic benefits, replacing your windows can improve your home's energy efficiency, which can further enhance its curb appeal. Homes with energy-efficient windows are often seen as well-maintained and eco-conscious, which can be an attractive feature for potential buyers. Modern windows are designed with insulation and low emissivity, low-E, coatings, which help to regulate indoor temperatures by reducing heat loss in winter and preventing excess heat from entering during the summer. In Mandeville, where temperatures can fluctuate throughout the year, energy-efficient windows help keep your home comfortable while lowering heating and cooling costs. Not only does this improve your home's functionality, but it also gives it a more sustainable and environmentally friendly edge, which is appealing to homeowners looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Enhanced security and protection. Older windows are more vulnerable to break-ins, especially if they are made of weaker materials or have worn out locks. New windows come equipped with modern security features, such as multi-point locking systems, reinforced glass, and stronger frames, which make it much harder for intruders to break into your home. For homeowners in Mandeville, where security is a priority, new windows provide the added peace of mind that your home is better protected. The visible presence of secure, Modern windows on your home also acts as a deterrent to potential burglars, which can further enhance your home's curb appeal by ensuring that your property is seen as safe and secure. Increased property value. Window replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to increase the value of your home. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance the overall investment in your property, new windows are an attractive feature for potential buyers. Many homebuyers prefer homes with updated windows because they don't want to deal with the hassle of replacing old, inefficient windows themselves. By replacing your windows, you are not only improving your home's appearance but also boosting its market value. Energy-efficient windows, secure frames, and a modern aesthetic can all make your home more appealing to buyers, potentially leading to a quicker sale at a higher price. Low maintenance and long-term benefits. Modern windows are designed to require much less maintenance than older models, which is another reason why window replacement can improve your home's curb appeal. Older windows may need frequent painting, sealing, or repairs, which can detract from the overall appearance of your home. On the other hand, new windows made of vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum are resistant to peeling, rotting, and fading, ensuring that your windows remain beautiful and functional for years with minimal upkeep. By replacing your windows, you're investing in a low-maintenance, long-lasting feature that will keep your home looking great with very little effort on your part. This ease of maintenance is a huge selling point for potential buyers, further enhancing your home's appeal. Better curb appeal for a quicker sale. If you're looking to sell your home in Mandeville, window replacement can be an excellent way to increase its curb appeal and attract more potential buyers. When buyers see that your windows are modern, well-maintained, and energy efficient, they will likely perceive your home as more valuable and worth the investment. First impressions are critical in real estate, and curb appeal plays a big role in how quickly your home sells. Replacing old windows with new, stylish ones ensures that your property stands out in the market and can increase the chances of a faster sale at a higher price. Conclusion. Window replacement is an excellent way to enhance your home's curb appeal in Mandeville. Not only do new windows improve the aesthetic appeal of your home by adding a modern and fresh look, but they also offer functional benefits, such as increased energy efficiency, enhanced security, and reduced maintenance. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home for personal enjoyment or preparing to sell, investing in window replacement will improve both the appearance and value of your home.